there. As the program coordinator for professional development here at Nassau BOCES, I'm always looking for ways to make our technology tips more universal, informative, and engaging. That's why I'm excited to announce that we'll be including some outside expert video tips in the weekly What the Tech Thursday emails. Get ready to dive head first into a treasure trove of expert insights, tips, and tricks that will unlock the full potential of Microsoft tools and transform the way we work. These tips will cover a wide range of tools and topics, and they'll be reviewed to ensure they're appropriate and reliable. But don't worry, our own video content will still be the backbone of our weekly video tips. However, we do believe that incorporating outside perspectives will provide an even more valuable learning experience for you. Our team is dedicated to bringing the best, most useful content possible. So we're excited to see how these outside expert tips will enhance your learning experience here at Nassau BOCES. So get ready for some great new content coming to your inbox. A few reminders before I go. 1. Register for the upcoming What the Tech Talks webinar on May 10th. Registration link on our website, also linked below. Number 2, help us spread the word about our What the Tech videos and resources, always accessible on our website, linked below. 3, if you would like to book a training with me, use my bookings link on the website or in my email signature. Number 4, I'm always looking for topic suggestions, so please submit your ideas using the form on our website titled Suggest a Topic. Now I'm going to turn it over to Mike Tholfsen, who we have agreed is a super Microsoft expert. I hope you enjoy this quick tip on how to use the search bar in Microsoft Outlook. Stay tuned for next week's What the Tech tip. See you then.